Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on Huawei MatePad SE. And to do this we'll need to open a settings, now find system and find security or biometrics and password. Here there should be fingerprint if there's any, but I think there's no fingerprint sensor here on this device. Yeah, there's no fingerprint here. Let's also try security. Nope. And lastly, we can go for search and enter fingerprint. So I can confirm that this device doesn't have fingerprint sensor. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.